good to be seeing you all. So I thought it would be a great idea to do a little spa session at home since we're all stuck in lockdown and we're not going to the regular spas and salons. So I thought it'd be a nice idea to do our own homemade face mask. What do you guys say?
Good idea.
I think that sounds
good.
nice.
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah.
okay, guys. So I did something last night. I sent off a list of ingredients to everyone. I know it's the lockdown period, but do we have everything ready with us?
Yes, we do.
Not all of it.
All right, great. So I think we should just get started, and we can be spontaneous and add a few things along the way.
Sure. Okay.
Cool.
I might have ingredients. The cucumbers looks really good to me.
I didn't find any cucumber.
That's okay. Even I couldn't find any cucumber. So what I did was actually, I found an excellent cucumber peel, which we were going to throw off. So I'm going to actually put it under my eye later.
Okay.
All right. So we'll start with the mixing bowl. Guys, add 2 tablespoons. Everyone's got their bowls?
Yeah,
we've got it.
Okay. So we're going to add 2 spoons of besan or gram flour. Besan has been used over the years for skin brightening, for taking off all the dirt and the gunk out of your face. It immediately clarifies the skin and it brightens the skin. To the besan, we're going to add a bit of, done guys?
Yes.
Now we're done.
We got besan.
Super. So in the gram flour, we're going to add some tomato juice. If you don't have tomato juice at home, don't worry. You can add a little bit of yogurt. Yogurt is high in lactic acid, has anti-aging properties, very good for all skin types. If your skin is dry, you can add milk. If your skin is oily, you can just add some green tea and cool the green tea before adding it, of course. You can't add boiling green tea.
Green tea.
All right, super.
Okay.
I'm adding tomato juice.
How many spoons?
Okay, me too.
Please add 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Okay.
Tomato is high in antioxidants, vitamin A and C, and it's a very good astringent for the skin. So it's going to tighten the pores. Tomato juice done.
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 Next up,
Done.
a pinch of turmeric. Just a pinch.
I don't have turmeric, so can I skip turmeric?
Yes, please skip turmeric. That's
Okay.
fine. If you don't have turmeric, that's fine. We are going to be adding a lot of other ingredients that will also brighten the face.
Okay.
Okay.
This is my neem juice. These are neem leaves that I've soaked in water overnight.
Okay.
I'm adding 2 tablespoons of neem water. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of neem water. If you don't have neem water, again, you can add some yogurt. Feel free to add some potato juice. You can also add some cucumber juice. If you have very dry skin, you can also add olive oil to your face pack. 1 teaspoon of olive oil.
How long does neem juice last in the face?
It lasts for about a week.
Is it okay to add olive oil? Oily skin?
Absolutely.
Oily
Go
skin?
for it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the thing
I have acne prone skin. Can I still add olive oil?
for acne prone skin,
Yeah, that's what I meant to.
skip the oil and go with yogurt.
Okay.
Yogurt actually
But
combats
yogurt is okay. Okay.
milk.
All right.
No, yogurt, yes.
Okay.
All right.
Done. I think I've
acne prone skin. If you have If you have acne that's coming up, if you have blackheads, neem is very high in antibacterial and antifungal properties. Radhika, is gone.
Okay.
Okay,
Sorry, got disconnected.
that's fine. Please, my scene LTS.
Okay. So I missed the. Did I miss anything?
Yeah, so
Hi,
I'm
Rusty.
saying how neem is
Rusty.
excellent. Neem has high antifungal, antibacterial properties, so it's very good for acne-prone skin.
Okay.
Okay,
Is this consistency okay?
it's a little bit more runny, so I would recommend add a little
Mine
bit
is
gram flour more. Radhika, you gotta add a little bit more neem water
okay.
or tomato juice.
Fine. Okay.
Yeah, yours is perfect.
Okay.
It needs to be like a thick paste, not too runny. If it's too runny, just add a little bit more gram flour.
Niharika, your video needs to be straightened.
Niharika,
Yeah?
straighten your video. And that's how Nikki's in real life.
Nikki had some really good brownies before the session, so you know they're acting up now.
Yeah.
So Frian, where are you quarantined?
In Bombay.
Okay.
Very much at home. In the
But
hot
this
spot
makes
of
life
Bombay.
consistency is great, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, mine keeps get okay. Perfect. I think I've got it right now.
You also told me to cut a potato. What am I supposed to do with
Yeah.
this potato?
Yes. So now we're gonna
Potato and lime.
Yeah. Potato and cucumber.
guys, the final ingredient to the pack is a generous dash of lime.
Okay.
Okay.
Lime is the bleaching agent. It's going to remove all the tanning if you have any. We don't have much of tanning. We've been sitting at home for the past month or so.
Maybe skip that dialogue.
Oh damn! I got lime juice on my screen. it's like
great- your
it
screen
rained
is
all over
actually-
my screen. Oh,
Your
but it's
screen will be
waterproof.
brighter.
Brighter looking skin now. Okay, guys, we're going to start prepping our skin now. Before we put the pack,
Okay.
it's a piece of potato. Now, potato has many properties.
Okay.
It makes your skin softer, brighter. It lightens scars, dark spots. It's full of antioxidants, and it also has anti-aging properties. So we're gonna start
Okay.
dumping the potato. Yeah, the potato on our face. This is just regular raw potato.
Okay. This is fun.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm actually feeling quite fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. The potato is really cooling. Mine was chilled, so it's feeling really nice on the skin.
Also, make sure that you apply it under your eyes. Nicely.
It's supposed to reduce inflammation, na, under your
Yeah.
eyes.
Absolutely. Also brightens the under eye area. So if we have like under eye bags or dark circles, helps curb them.
Yeah, you know, I feel these home remedies and home hacks work so much more than
That's
you know
Premixes.
readily available premixes. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. And I think because it's the lockdown, it's the perfect time to try everything at home and take care of your hair, take care of your skin, take care of your body.
That's true. Yeah.
Okay, done.
All
Done
right,
with the potato.
we're all set.
Yeah. Done with the potato.
Okay, now if you want, you can tie your hair. You can use a brush. I don't have one right now. So I'm just going to use my finger. I'm going to go the old school way.
The camera is very confusing.
I know I can't see much now.
Yeah.
Girls, come closer. So we can tell each other how much of our
Skins
spaces are
covered.
covered. Yeah. We make such funny.
To make like a natural scrub, just feel free to add some oats to the pack.
Okay.
Okay.
Since I haven't used haldi, mine is besan is really mixing into my skin color.
Yeah. Which is white. Mine is
Really
like bright yellow.
Yeah, yours is nice and yellow.
Yeah, yours is nice and yellow.
I love the sunshine yellow.
Okay,
That's
I
it. You
think
have
I've got my face.
Don't forget
Nicely
your neck,
covered.
guys.
So do we have to scrub it in, Radhika, or just apply it and leave it?
Gently apply it all over the skin. We haven't really used any scrubbing element. Like if you use oats, then one, it's dry, then you can slightly scrub it with water. Right now, the idea is just to evenly cover the face and the neck and just let it dry for 15 minutes or so.
Can
Okay.
can someone tell me if my face is done?
No, your
Yeah, I think so.
forehead. Yeah, between your brows.
Is mine done?
Yeah, your chin.
Yeah, under the eye.
Okay.
Starting now.
Now the next step is totally optional, guys. But for a lot of us, the screen time has massively increased after the lockdown. We're constantly on our gadgets like phones, television, our laptops. So I have basically cut some cucumber peels and I'm going to keep them under my eye. Ooh,
Me
nice.
too. Okay, so I'm gonna like. For how long do we have to keep the pack, Radhika?
Keep it on for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
So we. Okay. All right.
So cucumber on our eyes or under the eyes?
No, just break it and keep it under the eye because we're not ending the session. Oh, you're lying down. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I can't see anything
That's fine.
now.
Okay. Here you go.
So you cutting this
You have
video
to
now?
lie on the grass while the pack is actually drying up. I don't have a nice patch of grass. I don't have a nice patch of grass next to me like Radhika, so I'm just going to sit on my bed.
So you lie down on your bed.
I'm just gonna watch some TV while this dries up.
Okay.
Netflix and chill. And scare my husband and dog.
a screenshot.
We got some nice screenshots. Okay, one more. All right, I think it's about time to go wash it off.
Yeah. Wash it off.
Yeah, it feels fairly dry now.
I'm
Yeah,
going
I
to
can
pause
touch
the
it.
recording
Not sticky.
and then I'm going to start again once we come back. Hello, lady.
Hey,
Wow.
A big patch.
I feel like my skin's glowing.
I know.
Yeah.
I was
Like,
washing my face and I felt like my skin is so much brighter.
yeah.
yeah, I'm not even sure. Like, I don't even have those many ingredients, and I didn't even put any turmeric or cucumber or anything, and it's still like looking quite good.
Yeah. And I feel like Even my pores also have tightened a little, like out here.
Niharika, you're seriously glowing. Like it
Yeah,
really looks
You're
like.
not glowing
Yeah,
like
you're
light
really
bulbs.
glowing.
Like you've eaten a couple of light bulbs.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nikki, what's up with your face?
yeah, your face
I
is like a
don't know.
spotlight.
I think it was the lemon and it was a mix. It was a good mix, but I think the lemon really acted as a very
Yeah,
good.
Maybe it is a lemon because even I use the lemon and it's really like I feel like it's like things are
It was
shining.
basically, so I think
I'm-
we can call this pack Wildflower Wonder.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe Wildflower Wonder. That'll be cool.
Yeah, let's call it the Wildflower Wonder. I think I feel like I washed my skin after a long time. Like I can literally feel every pore is breathing. I feel so fresh right now.
Yeah, it's quite cool, I have to say. I'm
It's
quite
really
jealous of Niharika's skin
It's
right
not
now.
Really
It's
good.
like-
You know, Radhika,
I've lemon on my face, but I think I'm gonna do it
And
more often. I'll let
no,
the
I've
mix-
never used besan on my face ever, and I know that everyone keeps saying that Uptan is really good, but I've never gotten around to using besan. So I think either besan or lemon, I don't know, they've just worked like wonder. My skin is feeling
Yeah,
so.
it worked really well for me as well.
I think it's also
Thank you.
potato.
So thank you.
In the beginning,
This was so
really
much fun.
helps tighten
Yeah, this was real fun. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Radhika.
Lovely.
Thanks,
Wildflower
Radha.
Wonder.
I'm so
Yeah.
happy you could join me, and I'm also very, very happy with the result. And it was better because I could get to do it with all of you.
We'll
Okay,
see you
guys.
soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay beautiful.